Welcome to this week's edition of Oncology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Transgene has reached a key milestone in its TG4050 vaccine program for HPV-negative head and neck cancer. Phase 2 screening is now complete, with full randomization expected by late 2025. Phase 1 showed 100% disease-free survival at 2 years. Immunogenicity data are expected in late 2026, with efficacy results in 2027. Dizal has finished enrollment in the global Phase 3 WU-KONG28 trial for EGFR exon 20 insertion NSCLC. The study compares sunvosertinib to platinum chemo. The therapy holds breakthrough therapy designation in both the US and China. Previous data showed a 78.6% response rate and median progression-free survival of 12.4 months. Boehringer, Ingelheim, and the Lung Cancer Research Foundation have launched a $2.25 million initiative targeting HER2 mutant NSCLC. It includes Team Science and Early Career Awards. Letters of intent are due by July 29, 2025. The UK has approved its first anti-PD-1 therapy for small cell lung cancer. Serplulimab was authorized with chemotherapy for untreated extensive-stage disease. It showed median overall survival of 15.4 months versus 10.9 months with chemo alone. Health Canada has approved KISQALI for early HR-positive, HER2-negative breast cancer in high-risk patients. The approval is based on the NATALEE trial, which showed a 25.1% reduction in invasive disease-free survival risk. KISQALI is the only CDK4/6 inhibitor to show overall survival benefit in 3 Phase 3 studies. Zetagen Therapeutics shared preclinical data on Zetamast for TNBC liver metastases. In mice, the therapy reduced tumor volume 4-fold and extended survival by 3.9 times. An IND filing is planned, with a Phase 1b trial expected in early 2026. The FDA has granted orphan drug designation to Medicovestor's Atobind MC001, an antibody-drug conjugate for pancreatic cancer. It offers high tumor selectivity and enhanced immune engagement through improved antibody-dependent cytotoxicity. A Phase 1 trial is slated for early 2026. The EMA's Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use has issued a positive opinion for CABOMETYX in advanced pancreatic and extrapancreatic neuroendocrine tumors. This recommendation follows FDA approval in March 2025, based on the Phase 3 CABINET trial. Darolutamide, or Nubeqa, received EMA support for expanded use in metastatic hormone-sensitive prostate cancer, with or without prior chemo. The ARANODE trial showed a 46% drop in the risk of progression or death. Daiichi Sankyo and Merck have launched IDate Prostate 01, a Phase 3 trial comparing ifinatamab deruxtecan to docetaxel in metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer. This B7H3 antibody-drug conjugate will be evaluated in 1,440 patients worldwide following ARPI therapy. Arceus has received FDA IND clearance for ART-101, a PSMA-targeted radiopharmaceutical for prostate cancer imaging and therapy. The agent showed greater tumor uptake and fewer off-target effects compared to existing drugs. A Phase 1 trial will begin later this year. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next